Welcome to the AI My Great Way channel, a vibrant hub where artificial intelligence meets imagination, innovation, and real-world impact. This isn't just another tech space. It's a dynamic journey into the heart of AI, designed for thinkers, creators, and curious minds who crave more than surface-level content. Welcome to the dawn of a new era, an era where artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a figment of science fiction, but a reality that shapes our world in countless ways. Today, we embark on a journey to understand AI, its impact, and how it's transforming industries and daily life through practical examples. Let's unravel the mystery of AI together.
Hello and welcome. I'm your guide as we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. AI might seem complex, but at its core, it's about creating intelligent machines that can think, learn, and solve problems like humans. Let's dive into what makes AI such a revolutionary force.
AI encompasses various fields, including machine learning, natural language processing, robotics, and computer vision. Each plays a crucial role in how machines interpret and interact with our world.
Consider machine learning, a subset of AI that allows computers to learn from data. A familiar example is Netflix's recommendation system. It analyzes your viewing history to suggest shows you might like, constantly learning from your choices to improve its recommendations. Next, let's talk about natural language processing, or NLP. Ever used Siri or Google Assistant? Then you've interacted with NLP. It enables machines to understand and respond to human language, making our interactions with technology more natural and intuitive. In robotics, AI is the brain behind robots that can perform tasks from the mundane to the complex. Take surgical robots, for instance. They assist doctors in performing precise operations, improving patient outcomes, and revolutionizing healthcare. Computer vision allows machines to interpret and understand visual information. An exciting application is autonomous vehicles. By analyzing real-time visual data, these vehicles can navigate roads safely, promising a future where driving is more accessible and less prone to human error. These examples barely scratch the surface of AI's potential. From enhancing business operations to tackling climate change, AI's applications are vast and varied. But how do we ensure its ethical use and mitigate risks?
As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, addressing ethical considerations is paramount. Issues like data privacy, bias in AI algorithms, and the future of employment require ongoing dialogue between technologists, policymakers, and the public to ensure AI benefits society as a whole.
The journey of understanding AI is as much about marveling at its capabilities as it is about navigating its challenges. As we stand on the brink of this AI revolution, it's clear that our world will never be the same. And that's an exciting prospect.
The potential of AI is limitless, and we're just beginning to unlock its possibilities. From transforming industries to enhancing everyday life, AI is not just the future, it's here and now. And together, we can shape an AI-driven world that's innovative, equitable, and sustainable.
Thank you for joining us on this exploration of artificial intelligence. The journey is far from over, and we invite you to continue learning, questioning, and engaging with AI. Because the future isn't just about the technology we create, it's about how we choose to use it.
Now, let's spend a few minutes diving into ai.mygreatway.com and see what it has to offer. Why choose ai.mygreatway.com? I.mygreatway.com. It's one of the most powerful platforms available, giving you access to many of today's leading AI models, all in one convenient place. It's updated regularly to ensure that the latest AI models are available in the platform as soon as they hit the market.
For more ways to explore how AI can enhance everyday tasks, visit ai.mygreatway.com. You'll find free tools like text-to-video, AI-powered coding, and many other exciting features, all available at no cost. Dive in and start creating.
Thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the fun.